In this video we are going to check out the best 5 docking stations. Okay, let's see the features to find the best ones.
Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. And give me your valuable opinion.
Best of 5. Plugable USB docking station. Single HDMI output for mirroring or extending your desktop to an external monitor. USB-C port with up to 85 watt of power delivery to compatible host system. 4 USB 3.0 ports, 1 on the front of dock, and 3 on the rear. 1 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 headphone and microphone combo TRRS jack. Includes VESA mount for mounting to VESA-compatible desks, stands and displays. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 4. Amazon Basics Dual Docking Station. Connect up to 2 monitors using the HDMI and DVI ports, DVI to VGA adapter included. 2 USB 3.0 ports for connecting accessories like an external hard drive or extra USB graphics adapter. RJ45 gigabits Ethernet network port audio input to connect headphones and microphones. Connect a Windows laptop, desktop, or tablet with up to 2 additional monitors. Includes universal laptop docking station, USB 3.0 cable, power adapter, CD and quick installation guide. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 3. Plugable laptop docking station. An HDMI and a DVI port for connecting 2 external monitors and support for resolutions up to 2560 by 1440. USB graphics require dual-core 2 GHz CPU and 2 GB RAM for best performance. Cannot be mixed with non-display link USB graphics adapters and drivers. Suggested for web productivity software, not recommended for gaming. Does not provide power to attached host laptop or tablet. The host system will still require its power cable. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 2. Plugable horizontal docking station. Not supported on Surface RT, Mac OS, and Linux, Unix systems. Designed to be sturdy, stable, and easy to hide, perfect for decluttering your desk. Connect up to 2 displays with an HDMI, DVI or VGA ports up to 1920 by 1200. Features an HDMI and DVI port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0 ports, audio input and output ports, and a gigabit Ethernet port. Full 1-year warranty and personal US-based email support. Check the description for best price and details. Best of 1. LENOVO Thinkpad docking station. Charge your mobile device with the always power on USB 3.0 port. UHD video experience with dual video output or with up to 3 FHD displays. Perfect pairing for Thinkpad X1 rapid charging, up to 40 Gbps data transfer speeds. Immediate connection to peripherals with a single cable, 4 times faster than the average dock. Includes 135 watt slim AC adapter and Thunderbolt 3 cable. See description for compatibility. Check the description for best price and details.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned by subscribe for next updates. Please give me your precious opinion clicking by like, share and comments.